welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's new video, I'm going to be showing you, I'm trying to get my Christmas tree in the shot. This is not working out well. In today's new video, I'm going to show you what I got at the Goodwill outlet recently, and I hope you're very excited for Christmas and all that stuff, because it's coming soon, and I hope you have a good Christmas and stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and lots of things, yep. I'm standing literally in front of the tree. Oh, there, okay. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. In today's new video, I got a Goodwill outlet haul for you guys today. Just a few things I got at the outlet. I also got some Christmas gifts, but I will not be showing those because the people I got them for are watching this. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and I hope you enjoy. I also hope you're having a very Merry Christmas season. Let's see what's in this bag that I filled with things that I found at the Goodwill outlet. If you don't know what the Goodwill outlet is, it's like everything's thrown into these bins and they sell stuff by the pound. So sometimes I get really lucky and find some super cute kawaii stuff for super cheap. So yeah, so starting off, I got this Rapunzel bag. It has these ropes on it. I wash everything I get there. It smells okay. Yeah, that's not helpful. But it says best day ever. It has Rapunzel and Pascal. If you guys don't know, I love Disney Princess. So yeah, that was really cute, really sparkly. Yeah, I wash all this stuff, by the way. So here is what I got. So I guess we'll start off with this. I was really excited to see this. Some vintage Hello Kitty ribbon. What? I paid like $3 for this whole bag. Like, thrifting is so much fun. Got some vintage Hello Kitty ribbon. Super cute. Probably won't cut it though because it's already vintage and we only have like, say, a yardish. So yeah, but it's super cute. Obviously came off some sort of spool. So yeah, there's that. And then we got this pony. As you guys know, a lot of the ponies you find at the bins are in pretty rough shape. So fair warning, this pony's got a mohawk. This baby pony is, oh my, wow, she's chewed on. She needs some help. So once I get into re-hairing this girl to become beautiful. As for these bite marks, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Oh gosh. So you don't really focus on the details at the Goodwill outlet because you're grabbing stuff out of bins, but we'll see what I can do. I've restored a lot of ponies in the past, so. And then there were some Barbie clothes I got. Little scarf. And then what goes with the scarf is this 70s coral dress. These two go together. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So you're definitely gonna have to wash that. But look at the stitching right here. It looks like it's homemade. So I don't know. Sometimes I get confused with really old Barbie clothes. And sometimes the 80s ones have like a certified Barbie or whatever, like with this wedding dress here. Look, this one. This one looks really old too, but some of the 80s and 90s ones have they stopped doing it. I don't know why they, oh, this one doesn't have it either. I could have sworn. Oh no, it's right here. Well, it doesn't look like this. This is genuine Barbie fashion. So this one's really old. Maybe these are real Barbie fashions. They're really cute. Also got, what's this? This little thing. Now look at it. It's like a cape for an animal or something. It looked like a Barbie something or another. It's just rather cute. Then, speaking of Barbie, I got a Barbie seahorse from one of the Barbie movies. I think Pearl Princess, perhaps? I'm not quite sure. There's been a lot of Barbie friends that are seahorses, dolphins, whatnot. Then I picked up this Palace Pets little pouch kids bag. Got all the Palace Pets. They don't make Palace Pets no more. I used to really like them. They were really cute. So yeah, I just thought that was quite precious. Put that with my Palace Pets. Got this little Japanese dollar store mirror that was in the bins. I think these are really cute. So yeah, there's that. Barbie purse right here. I think there's some small accessories. You guys know I love Barbie accessories. I just love little things. And Barbie's just the right size. And Barbie's just the right size of little things. So yeah, see if there's anything else. Oh, how could I forget? There's a Hello Kitty. Really does not look good and needs cleaning, but she's super cute. Or is this Hello Kitty sister Mimi? Is it Mimi? It says Hasbro. Not Hasbro. It says Sanrio 2012. Hi. So it is the next day and that got abruptly cut because after that I was looking at the Hello Kitty and stuff. I realized 2012 was 10 years ago and I realized I'm old. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So yeah, but while I was editing this video, I did happen to go thrifting and I picked up something else really cool that I wanted to show you guys. So thanks for staying to the end. Here it is. This is a really unique thing. This is a giant Barbie doll whom is like 15 inches tall. She's Genevieve from the 12 Dancing Princesses. And I didn't know much about her when I found her. I was like, what is this? It is much large. And she has like this weird connection in her leg and stuff. So I did some research and she was a doll that would dance with you. Like you put it on a stand and it would robotically move its arms to do poses and pirouettes and whatever else, you know? And poses and pirouettes, obviously I know a lot about ballet, not, but poses and pirouettes and stuff, you know. And she would, like, she'd move her leg up and she'd just teach kids to dance when you pressed a button, or they even have these sensors where she'd follow your movements if you put them on your arms and your left leg. So yeah, she would do all sorts of funky moves. And although I'm kind of creeped out that she's half robotic, she's also really pretty. I need to find the stand. I could not find the stand or the sensors that went with it. But yeah, she was like a Dance With Me Genevieve or something like that. Super cute. I do need to sew the back of her dress, as you can see, and I need to wash it and I need to clean her. But what do you guys think? Isn't she cute? Would you guys like to see a reel of me cleaning this Barbie doll? Please let me know in the comments down below. An Instagram reel. That's that. What do you guys think? You think it's cool? Or you think it's kind of weird? Hello, giant Barbie doll. Wow. I don't know what I'm doing. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go on ahead and go to the outro. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all that stuff. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, PO Box, eBay down below if you want to. And yeah, I will see you guys later. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. And yeah, check out my any of my other videos if you want to. You can go see how I decorated this Christmas tree. Yeah. Bye!